Listen, I don't want to waste your time, but I do want to say I appreciate you for stopping by my channel. Again, if it was random, hey, I appreciate the algorithm for, making our paths cross. But if you're a subscriber, I appreciate you more than a number. But I do enjoy, bringing y'all into these jobs and just trying to, show some of the content of my work and explain the process. So I actually landed this particular job from just marketing on Facebook. Been pretty consistent with that, and I had this client, she reached out and needed some services. So pretty much she initially called me out for a house wash. Like that was her primary reason for calling me. But in real time, I upsold her on, as you saw, the front porch, this back patio, the driveway, and the sidewalk. When it comes to like upselling, maybe I'm giving away too much. But for me, in my experience, I never want to be too pushy. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, every little helps when I add, different services to the ticket. But I'm reading people's body language. I'm making sure, I'm intentional on my tone. I don't want to sound desperate or too pushy. And sometimes too, like because I'm the solo operator, I can, compromise prices. Now I want to make it worth, my time, but at the same time, I want to be fair to the client. So that's what I did. And on this patio, y'all know the grass, the landscaping, but she just moved in, so give her a break. I'm here to clean the concrete, not to judge the landscaping, but rinsing down this soap, and it's already a nice transformation, y'all, on this patio. I got some before and after pictures at the end. Now what I'm doing, I'm just pre-treating this driveway. Never been cleaned before. It was clear that it never been cleaned before. So let that solution pre-treat for about 15 minutes, and now on the surface cleaning. By the way, if you made it this far in the video, if you got any questions for me, comment below. Appreciate y'all for watching. Hopefully you learned a thing or two, or maybe you just want to enjoy a satisfying video. So I'm gonna be quiet a little bit so you can enjoy it, and I'll be back in a couple seconds. All right, for the final rinse down of the driveway, little point of view action. For me, here's another little tip, I guess an unsolicited tip. I always try to make sure I rinse in between those cracks. You see those cracks down on the driveway? Because you don't want dirty water sitting in those cracks. So I try my best to try to push it out the way. And now I made my way over to the sidewalk. This was the last part of the cleaning. And so it's pretty straightforward. Sidewalk was just as bad as the driveway, but you can already see how all of that dirt in the ground being lifted up. Now for a nice rinse down. Hey, thanks again for stopping by and watching. Here goes some before and after pictures. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the content. I really appreciate y'all for watching. Subscribe, turn the notification on so you know next time my video uploaded. All right, till next time, take care, y'all.